First, let's represent the story. Let me show you what I saw a scholar do last year. First, they drew a number bond. And in the hole, they wrote 100, because in the story, Giuliani wants to buy a toy that costs $1, and $1 is equal to 100 cents. Then, in one of the parts, they put a C, because those are the coins that Giuliani has, but we don't know the total value of those coins yet. And in the other part, they put a T, because we don't know how much more money Giuliani needs to buy the toy. Next, they drew Giuliani's coins. They drew 3 quarters. And what is the value of each quarter? Say it out loud. Right, 25 cents. Then they drew 1 dime, and a value of a dime is, right, 10 cents. And last, they drew 2 pennies. And what is the value of each penny? Right, 1 cent. And that's how they represent it. How does this representation show the story? Say it out loud. I bet you said it shows the story because it shows that Giuliani has 3 quarters, a dime, and 2 pennies, and that she wants to buy a toy that costs $1 or 100 cents. And to do that, we need to figure out how much money she has so that we can figure out how much more she needs to buy the toy. Nice work. Now that we've represented, it's time to retell the story using our representation. Retell the story out loud. I bet your retell sounded like this. Giuliani has 3 quarters, a dime, and 2 pennies. She wants to buy a toy that costs $1. We need to figure out how much more money she needs to buy the toy. Nice job. Now let's solve. What do we need to do first? Say it out loud. I bet you said first we need to find the total value of Giuliani's coins. Let's do it. Let's use label and add. I know that 25 plus 25 plus 25 equals what? Say it out loud. Right, 75 cents. 3 quarters are equal to 75 cents. And we still have our 10 cents. And 1 plus 1 is? Right, 2 cents. Nice work. 75 plus 10 is? Right, 85. And 85 plus 2 is? You got it, 87. So now we know Giuliani has 87 cents. But we still need to figure out how much more money she needs to buy the toy. What strategy can we use to do that? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we could use count up to 100 on a number line. Let's do it. Let's start at 87 cents, and 87 plus 10 is, right, 97. 97 plus 1 is, good, 98. Plus 1 is, right, 99. Plus 1 is, good, 100. How can we find the answer? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should count the jumps. Let's do it. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13. Nice work solving to figure out that Giuliani needs 13 cents to buy the toy. Great job.